New BMW holder as well.
Yes,
Yes.
6 2025.
The Beast.
Yeah.
Beast Rider.
Right.
Mad. Big up on that, by the way, Lisa.
Thank you very much.
It fit you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Here are 5 things in a Jamaica when it make no sense to me. Let's go. So number 1 is going to be real estate. Real estate make no sense to me because Jamaica is such a small island, and ever since me have like knowledge of like things and how things work, I've never seen real estate depreciate in a Jamaica. Real estate just always appreciate. And why do you think that is? Because the policymakers, the people who make the legislations, they keep the price high because they want to cut or prevent certain people from accessing that market.
The little girl got $1,000 and her cousin get $1,000. And the next one they tell her, I say, you know she got $200 and get $1,000. You know what the mother do? The mother not give her nothing now. And she's supposed to need the money. It's the reason why price don't have a phone. Because all communication will go through the mother.
What the blood me I go do? Me can't fight the system. Me not for wait the 180 days. What no want me do? What do no want me to do? Government badness, Andrew Holness. Me bigger than Andrew Holness? Me bigger than Scotiabank? Me have to sit down and wait patiently till them blood fix it and get back my money. Rosalee called me and I told her that I have to wait.
When I go and go check him either, I hear say, them pull up and Pretti done, and they have to beg for in life again. So when I go and go check him either to find out if I'm true. Remember, I said, I don't really want to call nobody name, but Pretti done and my friend Lisa, big up yourself.
Hello, I see your business Navy train. Welcome back. Got some new tea for you. But before I begin, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. For more drama and the latest in dancehall and social media news, fans are really concerned about Lisa hype since there have been news about her erratic behavior. She has been speaking out about Vybz Kartel buying Mooney a BMW X6 and upset that Shawn Storm didn't get a vehicle from Vybz Kartel that she believes is up to scratch. She said Mooney was the one who fed into people believing she was trying to steal from Vybz. Kartel on stage, while he performed at Mecca. She also says that Spice, and all the females around him including Shorty, Vybz Kartel's baby mother, doesn't love him because they are only there for money. She opens up on the Fix and Let's Keep It Real podcast and basically said everything she had on her mind.
You mentioned Lady Saw, Minister Marian Hall.
Right.
Is she the person you're referring to who coward for face you? Who is too coward to face you?
Listen to me, girl. What's your name?
Javi.
Javi.
I'm going to start make sure.
Me like your second better. My spirit not take she. What me I say?
That's crazy. She would have asked the FBI question.
No, but my spirit take she.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Our spirit not
all
take
right,
you.
listen what me I say.
I guess you
that
don't
means
like my
that you're
questions,
not.
love.
No, you don't want toe with me tonight. Cause me have the time.
But I have told you that
But
a bad car.
By the way, why you bad mind money from BMW?
Bad mind.
Why you bad mind man from
Don't make me rude to you, Nara. Choose your words, them very. Me never come here for the rude. Choose your words, them
Too
very
late.
careful.
Too late. No, but why
Choose your words, them, because him deserve.
I joke, but why you cuss Mooney?
What is joke to you is dead to me. Don't run them joke there with me.
No, but why you cuss
Don't
Mooney
call
for
me
him?
no
Why you
bad
cuss Mooney
man.
for him BMW?
Because me never cuss him for him BMW. Me say him not deserve it. That me say I'm not take it back. Who not like it, bite it. That me say.
Like I say, him not deserve that while Shawn.
Shawn should I get a better care?
Exactly. Shawn are your artist. Shawn do 13 years with your money, just make clothes for you.
But suppose that Shawn did one.
Shawn never want that. I want to be
Why?
Why
Oh, you know same never want that.
How you know that for you?
because Shawn is a Sagittarius like me. Him like the finer things in life.
I don't know why you don't like me. I still like you. Anyway, Shawn a controller. You did say some serious allegations.
What you call allegations?
Like you say she set up cousin,
anything
friend,
come on the internet
your
and
friend
talk
pass.
facts. Me not do fiction.
We obviously have allegation about.
Well, me I
you
tell
can tell
you
when
now,
the facts.
say a facts. Me
Okay.
not do fiction. All when me do disrespectful song and me come out and diss people. When me I read out file a facts. Never fiction.
So they go to police about it?
Police boy.
For report her, for say
Report
she
her
set
for-
up your cousin and she make your close friend pass.
No, I never go to police about it. I just did one beat her to sickness when I see her. And like how now say my mother me have my mad people certificate. When I go to court, I just go and plead insanity. Because you say bad people, you ramp with bad people, but your parents, them and your grandparents, them never tell you say when you see mad people, you're not in trouble them. Because when them fix your business, nothing now come out tight. Them never tell you no.
It's on to you and Kartel, right?
Right.
Like, what's the relationship there with you and Kartel? Like,
Well-
what has it been and where is it now?
Well, I've known Vybz Kartel from the age of 5, right? We grew up in the same community, and I've always been a fan of his, you know, even before he was established. You know, I've always been around him, and it was always love, you know. I didn't grow up with much females. I grew up around a lot of males. And, you know, them say it take a village for raise a child.
So now, you don't know your infamous picture, right? After that, you don't know, I mean, you never commit a crime, obviously.
Right.
But, you know, them time there, it was more sensitive. It wasn't that,
Right.
you know,
Because
accepting.
you know, dancehall is a very double standard place.
So now, after that, was there like a change, like in the camp towards you?
Well, remember, after that, I didn't go back to the camp. I
Okay.
wasn't supposed to leave, but I couldn't stay there. You know, because remember, I grew up different, you know. I'm a principled person. You know, I deal with respect and loyalty and stuff like that. And I felt violated, so I never go back.
You felt violated by Kartel himself?
Right. So, felt violated, you know, and I really went into survival mode. So I say, all right, then, you know, throw me out to the wolves, whatever. I go just go on with beer things. So I just put out a song of this, every female in the business except Ladies and the Angel. Right?
And that was spark you and Spice.
Right. But the reason why I really do that is because when I get booked for Sting and I go Sting, most of the female them will go up on stage and perform. Them
Throw shots, yeah.
Right. Them I go deny it, you know. But the truth shall set you free. And when Spice was supposed to perform after me, and Leng them did have net for put up just in case them fling back laugh at me. That's why I must say, yo, if you're never there, Sting, let me tell you what go on.
Now we see him with a new woman who's not Shorty. We see you also have your back and forth with Shorty at one point too as well. Is it a case where you were jealous of see them? Because, you know, we read comments and sometimes comments aren't accurate, but it is being said, say, yo, no, Lisa, I feel like so when Kartel come out now, it's that be she and him, she know him the longest, she dead by him side through thick and thin, and then now, him go source some new girl from foreign, and, you know, it a rub her the wrong way.
Well, we both know we had no future together intimately, even though we were intimate.
So what was the issue with you and Shorty?
She never loved him.
Okay.
She never loved him.
After all these years though, and the kids and everything?
She never loved him. She never wanted
Or she probably grew out of love.
She never loved him. It was a spiritual connection. And that's why them could agree. Because when something is forced and no organically and naturally, it's not gonna work. She never loved him. She loved his money. Because at the first place when him just did that look at her, she never wanted him.
Word.
She never wanted him. But then him boss, then she wanted him.
Shorty responded with this shady post on her page. Queens don't compete with hoes. He will always love me.
I don't want peace. I want problems, always.
I don't see why you don't leave that woman alone. Shorty don't responds unless provoked. Word to the wise, take notes, that woman had been through a lot, so leave her alone. Speaking of being provoked, Rosalee decided to put in a few words dissing the Queen of Gaza. She did an appearance in Lisa's music video and was not paid in full for it, and Rosalee is upset and came on the net to blast Lisa hype.
When I call about this man, I said what happened today. Because I part on a video shoot. Believe it, what you do. The whole of Thursday you don't call me, I say this man when I call back, yo listen, I forgot to tell me this man and say, me I forgot to wait till 180 days because I can't lock down.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
What the me I go do? Me can't fight the system. Me not for wait the 180 days. What do you want me do? What do you want me to do? Government badness and your wholeness. Me bigger than Andrew wholeness? Me bigger than Scotia Bank? Me have to sit down and wait patiently till them blood fix it and get back my money. Rosalee called me and I told her that I have to wait 180 days for my account to be recovered. When the blood you come and tell me about keep it. You're not hungry, you're hungry, no blood. That's your problem, that's why you're big and fat, so you're nyam too much. Fast and pray, so the
180 days is a long time to wait for money. You cannot expect someone to wait that long for money, like you don't know what bills they have to pay, like that's unreasonable. Lisa, I'm sure you have a lot of rich friends you can borrow that money from to give Rose.
Here are 5 things in a Jamaica when it make no sense to me. Let's go. So number 1 is going to be real estate. Real estate make no sense to me because Jamaica is such a small island, and ever since me have like knowledge of like things and how things work, I've never seen real estate depreciate in a Jamaica. Real estate just always appreciate. And why do you think that is? Because the policymakers, the people who make the legislations, they keep the price high because they want to cut or prevent certain people from accessing that market. So them have to make sure say them and them colleagues and just who can afford to buy working class, lower class people, them who literally not even make 100,000 per month. Them have to just throw them look at NHT and just say, boy, I don't want to own a house now, but it's just impossible. So real estate to me in Jamaica, it just don't make no sense because just the prices of homes are just beyond ridiculous. Like,
Do you agree with her? I honestly agree with her on this because the prices on homes are increasing. But when it comes to getting even a home, they make it impossible for 9-to-5ers to get access to NHT benefits, even when you have been paying for years. To me, it's ridiculous. Price Johnson's mother gets exposed after this man tells all. I guess parents can be pimps, too.
The little girl got $1,000 and her cousin get $1,000. And the next one they tell her, I say, you know she got $200 and get $1,000. You know what the mother do? The mother not give her nothing now. And she's supposed to need the money. It's the reason why Price don't have a phone. Because all communication will go through the mother.
And that me tell people say she never have a phone and she never have a TikTok. That me I tell people come.
She use her sister phone to go up on TikTok. She have a TikTok account.
Because she did have
one. But then I lower her from her phone because guess what?
No phone,
any link I forgot through the mother. This what little girl say. When the mother say, when man come to her and the little girl shall sleep and little girl don't wake and little girl tell the people say she'll sleep and she'll say you're older man, go and sleep. Why you think the Price don't tell her? Eh?
Because nobody know.
No. When the man them call the man and say me have $5 grand, me can get some front. And she send the man in the room with Price. And all the time Price up to it.
You need to leave these kids. Let them grow in peace, man. Pimping your daughter for money is wild. Pretti Dawn, also known by her real name Vybz Parks, was pulled upon by famous masked face TikToker Blam Dem. He was seen on her home surveillance camera saying this.
In a chatting with me, bro. There's many things I want to do, I'm going to do it. In a chatting with me, bro. There's many things I want to do, I'm going to do it.
Blam Dem says it was all a prank, which Pretti Dawn was all a part of, but she and her mother says it's different. Pretti Dawn is now looking a new place to live and says she's traumatized by the whole incident.
When I go and go check him out, I hear say them pull up on Pretti Dawn and he have to beg for his life again. So I'm going to check him either to find out if I'm true. Remember, I said I don't really want to call nobody name, but Pretti than my friend. Lisa, big up yourself.
Me not go back and forth with nobody on social media. Everybody were involved, no. The person who me did dep on the phone with, all of that. Everybody who did that try cover it up. Obviously, me dep on the road and look somewhere if I live right now. Me not have no time to go back and forth on social media with nobody. Everybody who were involved know what was done to me. I am not in any prank with any of you. And all of them voice note the way I play from February the 3rd. I don't care about none of them. What me want you to do, I do this to me. Go Allandale police station. Go and tell them that you are Ricardo, whatever the fuck you name, sir. I make we deal with this here amicably like people. Me not do no back and forth on the social media because the day when you come on my yard in a mask with gun and the other man them back at you and threaten me and tell me not to call your name on social media again or whatever you gonna do to me, none of that was a prank. I was never a part of that. I never did here one time. You and nobody did a plan that because there is no way more than plan for nobody come blood clot traumatize my life. So what you can do for me today, like on me a drive around and look somewhere for fucking live, you can go turn yourself into Allandale police station so we can deal with this the right way. Me no want to go live. Me no want to do none of that. Me no want to talk about your February 3 voice note them. Me no want to talk about none of that. Clearly them voice note there from when you ask me to go help you with Shibada, Shalom, Shay and the whole of them. I don't want to go through all of that. What I want to go through is you going down to the station so we can deal with this properly. Thank you.